I know say you go wonder where we dey like this. This is the famous Uromi Junction. Show them around. Famous Uromi Junction. From here direct to IGBANKE. IGBANKE. Is it IGBANKE? Wait.
This place supposed to be IGBANKE Junction.
IGBANKE.
But they told it to be Uromi Junction.
Okay. Yeah.
We are head to IGBANKE now.
IGBANKE. IGBANKE.
Straight road direct to IGBANKE.
You know, by the grace of God, what we're actually doing is to bring every Igbo speakers together and make them the people that does not understand that we are one people. Igbo Bofu, IGBANKE, IGBANKE.
Oh, IGBANKE.
Okay?
Yeah, oh, the real name
IGBANKE, okay.
Yeah.
So I mean, now we are here. We are here. Hold this mic. Hold this mic.
Okay.
This is a mic.
Well,
so I want you to actually Ndi IGBO. Oku maka ihe anyị na-aga.
Ihe nọ na obodo a na because of we are unifying of Igbo community, Igbo speaking community.
Thank you.
We have Igbo speaking community in Edo State. Yeah. We have Igbo speaking community in Delta State, even beyond. But we want to let Igbos to know that Igbos are one. Whether you be Anambra or you be Imo, you be Iseluko, we all are one. Yeah. Our unity, we need to make it strong for we not to be conquered. Exactly. Because if we cannot unify ourselves, they will conquer us.
Exactly.
Ihe
na-asụ oyibo. Mgbe a chọrọ m ka ị were olu IGBANKE, olu ike ahụ.
Ụmụ ndị ka ụmụ IGBANKE, ụmụ akwọ ịkarị mma, IGBANKE mma. Well, we are here to know that we all are one, whether you are Igbo or IGBANKE or Akpo, we all are one. As far as you are speaking Eka, Bia, Ndo, we all are one.
Provided no we're gonna gonna God.
Chuku.
Alright, my people. I mean, I don't have gods. I don't have gods. For me coming here, it is not gods, but rather it is God. It is God. I want you everywhere that you are, know that what I have is God. I don't have gods. You know, because I am still the same person that have been threatened. Yeah, if they get me in Ekaland, they catch me in IGBANKE, they catch me in this, that, they will do this. But then, because I am on a divine mandate,
untouchable.
I am on a divine mandate. This is the Unified Igbos now. We will go into any community that speaks Igbo,
any person who
and identify them and unify them with their kit and kin. One name, Ekaraka. Thank you, thank you. Kainaga. All right.
Seserio kada.